Welcome to Universal Shipping Inc., where every box, every pallet, and every shipment carries someone's dream, right here in Paris, California. Our team works with purpose, turning global logistics into a smooth, reliable experience for brands of all sizes. Each day, containers arrive from around the world. Our inbound team carefully unloads, inspects, and verifies every item, because we know that accuracy builds trust, and trust builds businesses. For Amazon sellers, our FBA Prep Center is where growth begins. We label, bag, bundle, and prepare products with care, so you can focus on scaling, not packing. And for e-commerce brands, speed and precision matter. Our fulfillment team picks, packs, and ships orders the same day, helping you deliver joy to customers nationwide. We also support reworks, repackaging, cross-docking, transloading, and high-volume retail projects, solving problems quickly so your supply chain never slows down. With global freight forwarding, ocean, air, customs clearance, and drayage, we connect your products to the world through one seamless end-to-end solution. Behind it all is a secure, technology-driven facility with 24/7 surveillance and real-time inventory visibility, so you always know where your products are. At Universal Shipping Inc., we're more than a warehouse. We're a team that cares, a partner that grows with you, and a place where your success truly matters. Visit www.USIship.com and let's build something extraordinary together.